In a world ruled by numbers, every soul carried its worth above their head. The higher the number, the louder their importance, but the greater the number, the emptier the heart. Then came Ariv, the mathematician who erased his own number. He chose 0. The world mocked him, until the numbers began to lose power. Zero was not nothing. It was everything waiting to happen. The space before creation, the silence before sound, the perfect balance between all beginnings and ends. When people stopped chasing numbers, they began creating meaning. From 0 came understanding, art, and peace. The world reset, not to nothing, but to possibility. The power of 0, the space where all creation begins. In a world full of numbers, remember, the circle never ends.